Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Series of cyclohexanone and it has alkene and O-methyl group. You are reacting with LDA and ethyl bromide. Further, you are reacting with ethyl lithium and acid hydrolysis. You have to guess what will be the final product. First step of the reaction, you are using LDA. LDA is lithium diisopropylamide. So it is a base. Base subtract the proton. You have the anion. Anion is a nucleophile. It gives new ethylation. Then you have ethyl lithium attacks. Ethyl lithium is a hard nucleophile. It's originated from lithium. So 1,2 addition happened. Then you have double bond migration. Further hydrolysis leads to the ketone there, which is conjugated ketone. Basically, you are ending up with diethylation. The concept you have to learn here is hard nucleophile always undergo 1,2 addition, not 1,4 addition. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.